Hello students, welcome back. In our previous video lecture, we have discussed the meaning and nature of principles of management. And in today's session, we are going to deal with significance or importance of principles of management. We need to understand why there's a need to use principles of management, or why is it so important to use principles of management in an organization. It is because of it provides managers with useful insights into reality. Management principles are guidelines that helps managers in gaining accurate and deep understanding of real life situations or real life problems. Whenever manager follow these principles, it can add a benefit by improving his knowledge, ability to tackle or handle situations, managerial situations. It will also enable managers to learn from their past mistakes and quickly solve repeated problems. Our second point is optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. Optimum utilization of resources means resources like men, material, machines, money should be utilized or employed in such a manner that it should give us the maximum benefit with minimum cost. As I've told you before, management principles are based on cause and effect relationship. This cause and effect relationship helps the managers to predict what is going to be the effect of a particular decision or action. As resources are scarce and limited, this way management principles can help in optimally usage of limited resources. Next, we have scientific decisions. In business, managers have to take a lot of decisions on a regular basis. Decisions made by following these principles of management are scientific decisions, are thoughtful decisions, because such decisions are based on logic, facts, realistic, rather than just blind faith. Such decisions are also free from bias and prejudice. Next, we have meeting the changing environmental requirements. A business can grow or survive only if it adapts itself to the ever-changing business environment. In order to be successful and stay in the business line for a longer period of time, businesses have to adapt itself or keep pace with the rapidly changing business environment. As we have learned that management principles are flexible in nature, it enables the managers to modify or change the principles as per the situation to meet the changing environmental requirements. Next, we have fulfilling social responsibility. A business works within the society and makes use of society's resources. So it is responsibility of the business to serve or contribute towards society. Principles of management helps managers in understanding social responsibility. Our last point is management training, education and research. Management principles helps in training, education and research work in management studies. Management principles act as a basis for further education and research. It is used as a basic work or foundation to train and prepare for future managers. There are professional courses like MBA and BBA which teaches the principles as part of their curriculum. Tataring 먼저 significance of principles of management 장래 principles of management 디 가진 개념보 임에 장래 아니 타마들라 디가지 notes 디 긴줄라 마테니 디 CPC 코라라니 notes 딘줄에 significance count to 요래 그래서 post치니 sama notes 디 마 슈로나 야 도대체 되네